How to upload a short from CapCut to YouTube Shorts. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the CapCut app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your CapCut account. Firstly, just skip the ad. Then all you have to do is select the existing project or tap on new project option available there and select it one from the gallery. So here I'm simply tapping on the existing project. Now, once inside the project, all you have to do is at the bottom tab, scroll and look for the aspect ratio option available there and simply tap on it. Then once you tap on aspect ratio, choose YouTube and simply change the ratio. Once the ratio has been changed, you can simply edit the videos, and after your edit completion, tap on the export button available at the top right corner of your screen and export it to your gallery. It will directly be saved to your gallery. So here, as you can see, it has been saved to your gallery. Now all you have to do is open the YouTube app and upload it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.